those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Vlogmas day 7, and it's already 7:26, and I have like 2 more minutes to go to work, and I'll let you know what we're gonna do today. So keep on watching.
Good morning, everyone. Hope your guys' days are going good as well. I'm just barely waking up, man. Well, yeah. I'll see y'all later. Peace.
Hey everyone, so I just got home from work and it's raining outside and it's pretty cloudy. So yeah, let's see what else we're gonna do today.
Hey guys, how's it going? Finally shaved and haircut. Shout out to my boys, Acapulco Barbershops.
Oh my goodness.
They're my boys.
Anyways. Alright. Let's see what are we gonna do today. But this weather just been crazy. Hey guys. So we're going to dollar store to look for a little Christmas tree for his grandma. And then let's see what they have. And we had to put gas in our car.
Because somebody didn't put gas this morning.
It's him. It was his fault. Oh, it's not my fault. It was his fault because I rode with his grandma this morning. So that's his fault. Where's it at?
That way.
So yeah.
Here's my light turning off.
Oh, it's been raining over here lately. So yeah. I'll see you in a while. Hey guys, so right now we're putting gas right now at the HEB, and it's still raining and it's dark and it's only 8:30. But we bought the Christmas tree. It's only like 4 feet and it's only costs $15 at dollar store because his grandma wanted a tree, but she wanted a white one, but there's no white ones, so she wanted a green one, I guess. And it comes with different colors, so it's $15, not bad, which is better than Walmart at $25. So oh well. So yeah, that's about it.
Hey guys.
So yeah, we're heading home right now, and it's raining. Okay guys, I'll show you the Christmas tree when I get home.
Toodles.
Hey guys, so it's already 10:17. It's pretty little late, but we're just here home. We haven't done anything because it's been raining. So I gotta say is I'll see you tomorrow on my next vlog. Bye and good night.